This is my $900 KTM 125. I recently picked up this thing for 900 bucks and it was in really rough shape. It needed a lot of things. And I plan on selling it or possibly building it up more. Something I really want to do is coat this frame orange. I'm honestly super tempted just to tear the whole thing down and just give it a whole makeover, but like, it's just, you know, it was 900 bucks and this thing's really fun. I also feel like, why even bother? Let me know what you guys want to see. Build it up more, or just keep as is and sell it. Because I mean, for 900 bucks, like, I'm not complaining. I really didn't have to spend a thing on it, except for these like pretty crappy graphics. My yard looks absolutely trashed. I had it was a huge storm today. This thing cleaned up so well. One fork seal does have a leak, but it's very minor. Still gonna fix that though. Let me know how you guys think I did on my Cerakote. I think it came out like really good. Can't wait to see what other projects come through. Stay tuned. Anyways guys, looks like it's about to rain, so I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. Please drop a sub. More videos coming soon.